Candles, fibs, crosses, EMAs. It's the tools of the day trade. Don't be a noob and trade on websites that don't give you BitBoy bonuses. Click the link in the description to get set up on Bybit or Femex and get an insane sign-up bonus for being part of the Bit Squad. Leverage trade responsibly, but do it the right way on Femex or Bybit. Bonus details in the links below.
BitBoy Crypto Morning TA. Morning, everybody. It's November 9th, 2021. My name's Piano Matty B. That is Scaramucci's. This is your Morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing, all the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bringing the data. The FOMO index has jumped to 85 from yesterday's 75. Bitcoin dominance is at 43.6%. 24-hour volume is at 127 billion. And the overall market cap is boyakasha, 2.94 trillion. Give or take 100 million. Price discovery, it's almost a heavenly experience. Floating on clouds, the sounds of angels playing horseshoes with their halos. People apologizing for the things they said and the things they did. Apologies being accepted with open arms. Well, yesterday we said that our then peak of 66.4, we would see a healthy pullback to 64.7 and price action dip to 65.1. Not quite facilitating our dad quota, but a pullback nonetheless. We said that after that, it would be a straight shot to break the all-time high, plant our flag at 67.2, and continue up to 67.8. That's exactly what she did. We wanted to see at this point a Dusseldorf back down to test 67.2 and convert it into the cult of support and Bob's your uncle. Quick Tom Cruise down to test, who squeezed its cheeks and continued up. We also said after a nostalgic game of price action monkey in the middle, we'd hit our next resistance line of 68.4. And boyakasha, that's what happened. So it looks like so far price discovery, albeit completely unpredictable, is having a nice little run. It's not getting too big for its britches, not forgetting to test support lines, remembering its manners, and not forgetting who its friends are. I thought I'd quickly go over some indicators to see what the lights on the dash are flashing, shall we? A quick look at the 4-hour chart, it's basically smooth sailing. We have the 20 Sharon Stoning the 50 and quickly distancing herself from it. We have a nice spread on the MACD with a subtle top like a peach note and a $20 bottle of California Rosé of a curl. Not quite a stall, just a curl. Is the RSI overheated? Yes. Am I worried? No. Is there slight RSI divergence? Yes, but it's slight. And I'm almost embarrassed to bring it up. It's like it has a small piece of icing on its lip, and I'm trying to tell it from across the table. You have a little, it's slightly lower on your... Oh, never mind. You can see price action higher high while the RSI is slightly flat. Am I worried? No. It's the 4-hour chart. It's a noisy little so-and-so. Over on the daily, there's a bearish divergent elephant in the MACD room. I wanted to get out in the open. We can see price action making a higher high while the MACD is clearly making a low. But look at that cute little cross that's sprouted out. It's like the groundhog seeing its MACD shadow and telling the weatherman, or weatherwoman I suppose, that it's 6 more weeks of this bull run. And I'll take it. Is the RSI overheated? Yes. Am I worried? No. Is it slightly divergent as well? Yes. Thanks for asking. We can see price action making a higher high while the RSI makes a lower high. But it's not the biggest deal. Really, at this point, it's more like technical analysis, cherry picking, or cherry searching, more like it, for something that resembles a traditional chart structure. But at this point, for the most part, all bets are off. And heavens to Murgatroyd, Ethereum's lighting her up. A little bit of a spinning top of indecision right now on the daily, but I'm sticking with my 5K prediction this week. 5K plus if you're so darn tootin'. I think Ethereum's going to be the talk of the town when we're done this parabolic run. But I'm also a firm believer that smart contracts will be the single most life and civilization changing moments of our lives in civilization. Ada gang, where you at? You're like my St. Louis Blues 2019 season. Starting out the season with the worst record in the league, then must winning 11 games in a row to clinch the playoff spot. Then, of course, you won the Stanley Cup. Of course, he did take out the Winnipeg Jets, but I mean, they're all millionaire kids on skates, and they're not even from Winnipeg, so who cares? And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected league. That's right. That's a Robin Hood snap. That's right. It's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day.